Coastal brown ants, scientifically known as Pheidole megacephala, are a species of invasive ant that has become a significant problem in many regions around the world. This video aims to provide a comprehensive overview of coastal brown ants, covering their taxonomy, distribution, anatomy, behavior, ecology, and impact on human environments. Taxonomy and distribution. Coastal brown ants belong to the genus Pheidole, which is one of the largest ant genera, comprising more than 1,000 species. Pheidole megacephala, commonly referred to as coastal brown ants or big-headed ants, are native to parts of Africa but have spread globally due to human-mediated introductions. Their distribution ranges across various continents, including Africa, Asia, Australia, North America, South America, and several Pacific islands. History of their introduction to different regions and the factors contributing to their rapid spread. Morphology and anatomy. The morphological features of coastal brown ants, emphasizing their distinctive traits that set them apart from other ant species. Key characteristics, such as size, coloration, head shape, antennae structure, and specialized body parts, are described in detail. Additionally, the differences between worker ants, soldiers, and reproductive individuals are outlined, highlighting their roles within the colony. Colony structure and social organization. Coastal brown ants are eusocial insects, meaning they form complex societies with a strict caste system. The insight into the organization of their colonies. Discussing the queen's role as the reproductive center and the various castes within the colony, such as workers, soldiers, and reproductive. Their intricate communication methods, including pheromone trails and chemical signals, are also examined, shedding light on how they coordinate their activities. Foraging behavior and diet. The foraging behavior of coastal brown ants is crucial for their survival and invasive success. Their foraging strategies, including their preference for sweet substances and protein sources. How their foraging behavior contributes to their ability to outcompete native ant species. Defense mechanisms. As part of their social organization, coastal brown ants have evolved various defense mechanisms to protect their colonies from threats. Their aggressive behavior towards intruders, their ability to form defensive circles, and their interaction with potential predators and threats. Ecological significance. Coastal brown ants play a significant role in various ecosystems. They act as predators, preying on small invertebrates, and scavengers, aiding in nutrient cycling. Additionally, they serve as prey for other organisms, contributing to the balance of local food chains. Their positive and negative impacts on ecosystems, including their effects on native ant populations and other fauna. Invasive behavior. The invasive behavior of coastal brown ants is a major concern. The factors that contribute to their successful invasion of new territories, such as their ability to outcompete native ants, their rapid reproduction rate, and their resilience to environmental changes. The ecological disruptions caused by their invasive behavior, such as alterations in plant-pollinator interactions and ecosystem stability. Impact on human environments. Coastal brown ants have significant impacts on human environments. They can damage agricultural crops, disrupt natural habitats, and infest urban areas. The economic implications of their presence, including the cost of pest control and the reduction in crop yields. Moreover, it addresses the health concerns associated with their bites and stings and potential risks to sensitive individuals. Conclusion. Coastal brown ants, Pheidole megacephala are an invasive ant species that have gained global recognition due to their aggressive behavior, impressive adaptability, and significant ecological and economic impacts. This comprehensive article provides an in-depth analysis of the anatomy, behavior, ecology, and their interaction with human environments. Starting with an overview of the ants' taxonomy and distribution, the article explores their unique morphological features, colony structure, and social organization. Next, their foraging behavior, communication methods, and defense mechanisms are discussed. The ecological significance of coastal brown ants is also addressed, highlighting their role as both predators and prey in various ecosystems. Furthermore, their invasive behavior is examined, exploring how they outcompete native ant species and disrupt local ecosystems. Lastly, the impact of coastal brown ants on human environments, including agricultural activities, food security, and health concerns, is detailed, along with potential management strategies to control their population and mitigate their effects. I hope so now you will understand coastal brown ants. Thanks for watching my content. If you like my content, press the like button, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you, goodbye.